Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, multiplayer unavailable, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here date and time, and then you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly, because if it is set incorrectly, your computer will have trouble connecting to the internet. So set your time zone. After that, click sync down here, and once that's done, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to go to your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on it, click properties, click internet protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses. Write in here 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK, and then scroll down and check internet protocol version 6. So just untick this option. After that, click OK, and then restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hytale's multiplayer mode, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that multiplayer unavailable error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.